Hi, my name is Tom Weber, and I'm from Baltimore, Maryland. This is my app for Harvard CS50, NessuVisualizer. It is a web application that is meant to display Nessus scan results in a more concise and succinct fashion. So here is the GitHub page. I've already downloaded the app and got it running from a development server. So I went to its IP on port 5000, and you are immediately redirected to the login page. Now, if you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and click register. And we'll create a test user. Test@gmail.com is going to be our email. We're going to do test 123, test 123. Now we're going to sign in as our test user. We are immediately prompted to select a Nessus scan folder. And let's download Metasploitable too. There's a lot of good scan results there to look at. So now that the scan data has been downloaded, we can see this is the IP address of the host that we scanned. It sees that it is an Ubuntu Linux 8 distribution. When we view the scan results, we are immediately presented from critical to high to medium to low to informational. Now, if we go all the way back up to critical, we can look here and say, okay, this is a remote SSL certificate using a weak key. Is there anything directly from the plugin? No, looks like there isn't. Let's try another one. Here we go. Here's a little bit more information. So we're able to use Metasploitable on it. No, that's the name of the server, that's right. But we can see more information about the plugin itself and what Nessus was able to do while scanning this host. That's the basics of how to use this tool. Additionally, you can also view the users. There's nothing built functionality-wise for that at the moment. However, should there be potential to use multiple databases for multiple users, there could be a user management system included as well. Thank you. That's my video for NessuVisualizer.